A compact cordless cleaning tool built for versatility and power. Strong suction, 18,000 pascals, cleans pet hair, dust, debris, and small particles. Brushless motor, 130W high-speed motor for durability and efficiency. Cordless and portable, easy to use in cars, homes, offices, or on the go. Long battery life, 7,800 mAh battery delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime. Dual function, works as both vacuum and air duster, great for tight spaces. LED light, illuminates dark areas like under seats or furniture. Multi-nozzles, includes tools for crevices, upholstery, and more. COLORCORAL Cleaning Gel Universal Dust Cleaner for keyboards, laptops, car vents, and electronics. Reusable, eco-friendly, and easy to use, perfect for hard-to-reach areas. Great for home, office, and car detailing. A keyboard and electronics cleaning kit is an essential tool for maintaining the performance and appearance of your devices. These all-in-one kits typically include brushes, microfiber cloths, keycap pullers, and cleaning solutions designed to safely remove dust,